Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I start my videos the same every single time. So I put up on Instagram asking, did you guys want like just a sit down video, or if you wanted get ready with me, chatty get ready with me? And you guys all said get ready with me, so here we are, we're getting ready. Yeah, I suppose I never introduced myself on the channel, and I just started like putting up videos. So it's basically like someone just walked into your house and was like, I'll tell you how to cook. No. So my name is Cora. I'm 27. I'll be 28 in February. I'm grown up. I don't think I'm a grown up. But yeah, I'm from Ireland. Ireland. I'm using niacinamide 10% and zinc 1%. I'm gonna be honest, since I started using this, I have seen such a big difference in my skin. Like, my skin is not, I don't have like acne or anything, but I am a shiny girl. And it would be very, like, I could be fine and then all of a sudden I've got like bits all over my skin, you know what I mean? And since I started using this, I just noticed that it is so much less shiny and happier. I feel like it's a lot happier. I started using it during lockdown, like I think all of us did. I have a degree in management, and I worked in retail for 7 years. I also have it's FETAC level 6 in journalism and photography. So I got that back in 2013 because I'm really passionate about that, and I then realized that I didn't want to have to rely on making a living from things that I love, because then I will hate them. Also, it's quite hard to make a living off of journalism and photography like now. I know you can be an influencer and you can make money from Instagram posts, but that was not sort of the photography that I was thinking about. So I don't know if you guys have heard of Doug Allen. He is a photographer and like videographer for what was he? I have his book somewhere, but he did a talk in the Theatre Royal in Waterford, and this is what I use. This is a Tesco Kind and Pure moisturizer. It's got SPF 15. She's vegan. No, she's vegan, and she's not been tested on any animals. Oh, I have to do the thing? Do I have to do? I have to do the thing! It's not even working, whatever. But I started working in CEX when it opened in town, so 2013, and through working there and interacting with a lot of the women that work there, I wanted to go into management. So I graduated with my journalism and photography degree, then I went into management and got that done. I suppose I did that, started working, I've been working in retail this whole time, went in to be assistant manager, started managing my own shop, then changed from technology to grocery retail, I suppose. And then I started my new job 2 weeks ago in a new grocery retailer, which I shan't mention because I don't want to be that guy, but I love it. I'm currently using number 7 Stay Perfect Super Light Foundation in Calico. So that was the one where you go into Boots and they like shoot your face with a gun and it tells them what colour you are. I think I'm just like one step up from Alabaster, so we're pasty. I recently, over lockdown, when I wasn't stressed enough, I started doing a specific HR course as well, so I'm qualified in HR. I love HR. I think it's so interesting. Yeah. Good one. It's so interesting. I am not. My beauty blender was already wet. I wet it before I started this. I'm not a dry beauty blender sort of girl. I have a cat. Her name is Luna. She's 3. She'll be 4 on the 31st of October. You met her in the previous video. I'll put it one of these corners. She's amazing. She's the light of my life. I've never been so lucky in my life to have her. I have a long-term boyfriend. I say long-term because I feel like when you say I have a boyfriend, people are like, oh, what a little fling or something like that. We've been together for 5.5 years. He's gonna kill me. I'm sure you'll meet him at some point. I'm trying to rope him into doing some sort of like couples tag or something. See how well we know each other. We've been together for 5.5 years. We did live together up until September last year. So September last year we moved home to our respective homes because the rent in town was so overpriced that I was finding that I was spending my rent money. My rent money was just going up and up and up, and I wasn't able to save, and I don't want to be in my 30s or 40s and I'm still paying rent and I'm still worrying about that sort of thing, you know. I just don't want that. I want to have like a secure base. So I moved home so I can save money and figure out what I want to do. Want to buy a house here, want to buy a house somewhere else, I don't know. Want to buy a van and just float around the world in a van. Yeah, I want to do that. Probably not the easiest thing to do when you have a 45-hour-a-week job and you're trying to shower at the side of the road, but I forgot to put my primer on. I was gonna use this. It's Elizabeth Arden Flawless Start Instant Perfecting Primer. But I can't. I got it in a raffle, which is why it's sticky looking. I got it in a raffle. I never would have bought this because I don't know if you can tell, I'm really bad at this. Who forgets primer? We moved home separately, so I am in my home, like my parents' home. They live here too, obviously. It's fine. I'm like very self-sufficient, so I get my own groceries, I do my own laundry and stuff. Like, it's like I have housemates. I'm sure they'll love that. But yeah, so the saving is going well. Obviously with me changing jobs every 30 seconds, it's a bit harder to judge, but it's going well. I'm using this Penny's Brow Sketch. Honestly, like, when I get ready, I don't even put on foundation usually. Like, for my first week in work, I wore foundation because I was like, the new girl, I'm making an effort. Now I'm like, you know. So, Penny's Brow Sketch. I don't even know how. I'm so low down in this video. I'm actually sitting on the floor. Yeah, I'm sitting on the floor because I had the camera on my windowsill and it was like so I'm on the floor, camera's on my bed. I have this little small footstool here which I'm using as a table, and my mirror is propped up on some books. That's how you make I should have done engineering, really. But yeah, so I brush out my eyebrows and then I just fill them in. So eyebrows are on. It could just be me being super judgmental, but I suppose like 27 is a funny age to start making YouTube videos. But yeah, the reason being, I always wanted to do it. I did the cinnamon challenge back in the day and stuff, but I don't know, I never, I suppose when you don't know anybody who's doing it, it's kind of, it's odd, and like Waterford is quite a small place, so to not know anybody who's making YouTube videos kind of made it like, nobody from here does it. But my friend Ayesta, she explained how to say her name in her most recent YouTube video, which I will link, but it's like, I've been calling her Ayesta for so long that when she explained it I was like so I'm sorry. But basically she started a YouTube video and I was like, you know what? Girl, you inspo. So here I am. Waterford is kind of, Ireland as a whole is quite small. And like, Rimmel Glam Eyes. Oh my god. Rimmel Glam Eyes anyway. Wings done. What was I saying? No idea. Vegetarian for 2 years. Ethical and sustainable reasons. Oi oi oi. I am working towards not eating eggs and cheese, but I am super low on protein all the time. Just really bad at getting protein, so I kind of do eat the eggs for that. If you are plant-based, take your B12. This is your reminder to take your B12. I'm the most forgetful person in the world, and I will not take any B12 for like 3 weeks, and I'll be falling asleep just in weird places. And then it'll take that for me to remember that like I haven't taken B12 in ages. So please take your B12. As you know, you can't get B12 from plant sources anymore. It's kind of odd that I would suggest to do a get ready with me when I'm not like a makeup person. Like I will throw stuff on my face and kind of just go with it. These people that they like blend their eyeshadow and stuff, I blend my eyebrows into my face, and that's about it. So that is that. I think I'm just rambling. Really, I do. This is my white shirt, if you remember. I got it in Pennies 2 weeks ago. I put it on my Instagram in a haul. My poor little Instagram started out as a fitness Instagram. I was taking part in like all the shreddy challenges and stuff. I met an amazing group of people. They were all in a group chat. I'm gonna send them my videos. But so I started out doing the shreddy challenges last November, and I made fitness Instagram, and then I was like, I don't know, like when I started this YouTube I was like, why don't I just make it like mold it together? So if you're from my Instagram, I'm sorry, I'm not super fitness right now. I could be. I am actually doing the online coaching with Caroline O'Mahony. She's from Cork. She's unreal. She's sponsored by Alpha Lee and Ghost, so check her out. Like really cool, really sound. She's got a little dog and stuff. It's also really nice to see an influencer from Ireland, because again, like Ireland's small. You see all these influencers from like England. You've got like Grace, you've got Megan Grob, who are the rest of the people? Like all these like British, UK people. But you've got England, you've got America. So you've got like Nikki Blackadder, you've got Whitney, you've got everybody. Ireland? Whom? We've got Caroline. Well, shout out to Caroline for that. But yeah, so hopefully we can get a little bit back into fitness once, like my gym closed, so I was with Ben Dunn, and it closed, and he's just not opening again. He was like, no, can't open safely. So I'm gonna need to wait for some sort of gap, gonna figure out what gym is good to go to this gym, reacquaint myself, figure out how to get a workout in an hour. I don't know. With my new job as well, I'm getting in 25,000 steps a day, so I actually don't have the energy to go to a gym, as you can imagine. But yeah, so I'm gonna use Inglot Soft Precision Lip Liner 63. I bought this. I am just not good at this, am I? No, I'm not. Okay, take my word for it. I bought this when Kaylee Moa, like I'm first naming all these people like I know them. When Kaylee was working in Inglot, and that was like her lip combo, she used this and she used one of the liquid lips. To be honest, the liquid lipstick was bad. Like the lipstick was really bad. It would just come off like here and here. So you have like dark corners. I know that's what some people are into, but it's not what I wanted. So the lip liner is good. Lip liner is really good. It's a really nice color as well. I don't know if you guys can see. I look crazy. I have overlined my lips, so like I have like pretty thin lips, and it has been a huge concern of mine for my whole life. I did get a 0.5 ml last August. I got a 0.5 ml and loved them. the difference in just my confidence. Like so many people were like, oh, you can't even tell, like it's so small. My confidence like went through the roof. So I do feel that is probably something I'm gonna do again, but we've got more money matters at the minute, so I'm not gonna, it's like €200 or something, and obviously your body does metabolize it, so it's not forever. Speaking of lips, you got me Kylie. Maybe if I hold it back here it will focus. You can't even see it then. Kylie Jenner lip kit in Posy Kate. I bought this in, oh you're gonna shoot me, I bought it in 2016. I know, I'm nasty. I don't like to throw things away when I spent money on them, you know? It's fine, it still works. It's not going on my eyes, okay? But yeah, so this is the only lip kit I have from her. It is very good. Like, it's pink enough that like, it's pink enough that you can see that I'm wearing lipstick, but it's not like, definitely, it was like €16 or something like that, and it arrived so quickly. It did come with the lip liner that I have lost. I actually bought this by accident because I didn't think that they were in stock, so I added it to my basket, and obviously my PayPal is connected to absolutely everything. And all of a sudden it was like, yep, your lip kit is on the way. No regrets though. It's a good one. But yeah, so I don't know, this is my third video. I think you've probably gathered that like I'm gonna aim for a video a week. Various topics like management, recruitment, job hunting. I have so much experience in all of that, especially like I do have a Fiverr account where I can update your resumes based on what employers would be looking for and based on like the easiest way to get you noticed. Shameless plug. So I've been hiring for the last like 2.5-3 years. Huge experience in that. Huge experience in fitness. I've been involved in fitness for 7 years, the same amount of time as I've been working. So 7 years I've been involved in fitness. I wouldn't consider myself an expert, and I definitely have no qualifications, but I do like to do challenges. I like to do exercise. I have a challenge in the works that it's gonna take me 30 days. That's just like, I can't rush that. It's just a 30-day process. But I'll throw that up as soon as it's done. If you guys have any challenges that you want me to do, let me know. There's only so much I can fit into my head, and I do forget things all the time, so do that. This makeup is not my forte. This is my finished look. So as you see, we've got a wing, we've got an eyebrow, and we've got a lipstick. Let me know what you want to see. Let me know what you want to see, and I'll try and provide it for you. But yeah, thanks for watching. This is Cora. As I've told you, this is my intro video. You did get ready with me. I'm ready.